Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rebecca. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve Paper 2 Database Task, Cambridge IGCSE ICT, February-March 2023, Variant 21. Okay, so for this question paper, I have solved the data production task. Okay, if you need to watch the video, you can just go through my channel and you'll find the video there. Okay, so let's go straight to the database task. Okay. Students at the Tawara High School are placed in one of 4 groups, which are called houses. These houses are Jupiter, Mars, Neptune, and Saturn. You are now going to prepare some reports based on the school test. Using database software, import the file M23test. Okay, so we are going to open our Microsoft Access. Okay, you can close this. Okay, so we need to import the file called M23test. So to import, click on External Data, Text File, Browse, okay, to choose your file. Okay, so M23test. Okay, this is it. Open, then OK. Okay, click on Next. Okay, check the first row. Now, if we go to the question, it says, do not import the field English. Okay, do not import the English field. Okay, so we are going to click on Advanced. Okay, so this is the English field, and we are just going to click on Skip. Okay, so it's going to skip this. Okay, so let's check the data types. So we have from registration code is text up to house code. Then from math up to science is number. Okay. Okay, text, and then from math, okay, this is math, long integer, long integer, long integer, long integer. Okay, that's fine. Okay, next, do we have primary key? Okay, set registration code as the primary key. Okay, registration code. So choose primary key. Okay, and then registration code. Okay, this is it. Next, and then finish. Okay, that has been done. Close. Okay, we are done with that. So you can just open your table to see that you do not have English. Okay, we do not have English here. Okay, that's done. Okay, then. Okay, place in your evidence document. Okay, we need to check that the display is in this format. Okay, 0 decimal places, all the numbers. Okay, so to do that, go to Home, Design View. Okay, check the numbers. Okay, the decimal should be 0. Okay, decimal should be 0. Okay, computer science, the decimal should be 0. Okay, 0. Okay, and then design technology, decimal places should be 0. Okay, then science, decimal place should be 0. Okay, that's done. So click on save. Okay, we can see all the decimal places are 0. Okay, excuse me. Save the data and place in the evidence document a screenshot showing the field names, data types, and primary key. Okay, so we are going to take evidence. Okay, and then use the snipping tool. Okay, and then place in your evidence document. Okay, that's done. Okay, this step has been done. Import the file M23 houses, okay, as a new table in your database. Set the house code field as the primary key. Okay, so import the file M23. Okay, external data, text file, browse M23 house. Let's check again, houses. Okay, open. Okay, next. Okay, in the question, we're not given the data type, so that's fine. So the primary key should be set as house code. Okay, the primary key should be set as house code. Okay, check the first row. Next, the primary key. Okay, house code. Okay, that has been chosen. Then next, finish. Okay, that's done. Okay, we have the table here. Okay, examine the file M23 staff to identify the most appropriate field to use as a primary key. Import this file as a new table in your database using this field as the primary key. Okay, so let's examine the file M23 staffs. Okay, M23 staffs. Okay, this is the file. Okay, so we have about 4 columns here. Okay, now how do you determine that a field is the primary key? Now, if primary key should be a unique data, okay, should be a unique data and it should be data that is not repeated. Okay, if you look at teachers' names, okay, you can see that day is repeated. Okay, day is repeated, so we cannot use this. If you look at the subjects, okay, we can see that some subjects are repeated. We cannot use this as primary key. And if you look at row D, column D, okay, some rows are repeated. Okay, so but if you look at class code, okay, we have data that is not repeated. Okay, these data are unique, so class code will be our primary key. Okay, so let's import the file. Okay, external data, text file. Okay, the name of the file is M23 staff. Okay. Okay, I need to close this. Okay, text file, M23 staffs. Okay, next. Check the first row. Next. The primary key is class code. Next, and then finish. Okay, so we have the table here. Okay, this has been done. Okay, place in your evidence document screenshots showing the field names, data types, and primary key used in each table. Okay, so for these 2 tables, we are going to place evidence in as step 19. Okay, M23 houses, M23 staffs. Okay, M23 houses. Okay, go to design view, take a screenshot. Okay, and place in your evidence document. Okay, also for house, let's see, for staff. Okay, for staff. Okay, design view. Take a screenshot, place in your evidence document. Okay, this is done. Okay, edit the following record in the test table. Okay, registration code should be this and the class code should be this. Okay, in the test table. Okay, this is the test table. Okay, we have a long record. Okay, so we are looking for 20 registration code for 2016 underscore 029. Okay, and then okay, you select and then find. Okay, 2016 underscore 29. So find. Okay, let's see if we're correct. Okay, 029. Okay, so I believe we only have 1029. Okay, this is it. Okay, so we need to change the class code to, let's see, the class code. Okay, the class code is 6B. We need to change it to 60. Okay, okay, 60. Okay, that's done. And then we need to save the data. Okay, save. Okay. Okay, create one-to-many relationships. Okay, between the staff table and the test table. Then between, yes. Oh, excuse me. The primary key of the staff table and the class code of the test table. Okay, so the primary key. What's the primary key in the staff table? The primary key in the staff table is class code. Okay, and the class code of the test table. Let's see the test table. Okay, the test table, we also have class code. Okay. Okay, you can close all. Okay, so to create relationship, click on database tools, relationship. Okay, import all. Okay. Okay, so we are starting with staff table and test table. Okay, staff and test table. Okay, you can adjust this. Okay, so the relationship should be a one-to-many relationship between the primary key of the field table and then class code. Okay, so the primary key is class code. Okay, to the class code here. Okay, create. And then the house table and test table. Okay, the house table, this is the house table. So it is from right to left. Okay, so the primary key of the house table and then to house code. Okay, the primary key of the house table, okay, then to house code. So from house code here to house code here. Okay, that is done. Okay, we can see if you can see that it's a one-to-many relationship. Okay, so place in your evidence document screenshot showing the one-to-many relationship between the tables. Okay, so we are going to, first of all, I will take a screenshot of the three tables all linked. Okay, and place that in my evidence document. Okay, then I will take a screenshot of the evidence of the relationship. Okay, so right click on this line, select and right click on the line, edit relationship, then take a screenshot. Okay, place in your evidence document. Okay, then the second one, right click, edit relationship, take your screenshot, okay, and place in your evidence document. Okay, that is done. Okay, using fields from all tables, produce a tabular report. Okay, so to produce a tabular report, we need to first of all do the query. Okay, these are what we need to do for the query. Okay, and then the others, the others would be, report. Okay, so now let's start with the query. Okay, so we need to have these field names in this order. So save, close, click on create, query wizard. Okay. Okay, so the first one we have family name, gender, and teacher. Okay, family name. Okay, family name, gender, and then the teacher. Okay, let's just be sure. Okay, teacher name. Yes, teacher name. Then we have science, math, computer science. Okay, science, math, computer science. And then we have design, technology, house name, class code. Design, technology, house name. Okay, house name and class code. Okay, class code. Okay, I believe that's all. Let's see. Yes, that's all. Next. Okay, you can make this query 1. Okay, finish. So we have all the field names. Okay, so we are done with this. So it says select the records where the gender is F. Okay, where the gender is only female, go to design view. Okay, the gender is only female, so in the criteria, just have F. Okay, F. Okay, that was a mistake. F and then run. So if you look at the gender, we only have F. Okay. Okay, the science is 80 or more. Okay, science is 80 or more. This is science. 80 or more means greater or equal to 80. Okay, run. Okay, so if you look at it now, the science is 80 or more. Okay, and then the class code contains 6. Okay, the class code. Okay, where's the class? The class code contains 6. Okay, the class code. Okay, star 6 and then star. Okay, run. Okay, so we can see that all the class code contains 6. Okay, that has been done. So now we need to create the report. Okay, you can save your query. So click on create, report wizard. Okay, so we need to move all the field names and then next. Okay, the question says that do not group the data. Okay, so in the case whereby your okay, in the case whereby you're seeing something like this. Okay, this is grouped. Okay, you need to choose the table that shows that all the field names are not grouped. Okay, then next. Okay, do we have any sorting? Yes, sort the data into ascending order of teacher's name and descending order of science. Okay, teacher's name, and then science. Okay, so ascending order of teacher's name, descending order. So this is ascending, this is descending. Next, okay, what is our page orientation? Okay, so the orientation, okay, is landscape. Okay, the orientation is landscape. Landscape. Next, okay, what's the title of our report? Okay, this is the title, okay, of our report. It says it should display in larger font size, fully visible at the top of the report. Okay. Okay, and then finish. Okay, so this is our report. Okay. So first of all, we are going to rearrange the report, okay? Because when you sort, most times it's going to, the order will be changed, okay? So we still have this to do. We still have this task, okay? Calculate the number of student report, and what else? And this to do. Okay, so let's first of all rearrange. Okay, so we have family name, gender, and teacher's name. Okay, close the print review and then go to layout view. Okay, so the first one is family name and gender name. So this is family name. Okay, family name. Okay, family name. Okay, gender and teacher's name. Okay, gender. Gender, teacher's name. Okay, that's fine. Then we have teachers, science, math, and computer science. Okay, we have science, math, okay, computer science. Let's see, where is the computer? Okay. Computer science, and then we have design technology, house name. Design technology, house name. Okay. Design technology, house name. This is house name. I think we have one more. Okay, then we have class code. Okay, class code looks like it's missing. I don't think it should be missing. Class code. Okay, this is it. Okay, and then this is class code. You can adjust this. Okay, that's done. Okay, so calculate the number of students and place this at the end of the report. Okay, the number of students. So we are to calculate the number of records. Okay, so you can just select any of this field and then go to design and then count records. Okay, so when you go down, you can see the number of records. Then display your name, center number, and candidate number in the footer so that it appears in the same position on every page. Okay, so in the footer, go to the design view. Okay, so in the footer, click on label, and then place your name, center number, and candidate number. Okay, if you go to layout view, you should be able to see that. Okay, that's it there. Let's see if there's nothing we are missing out. Okay. Okay, that's done. Place in the evidence document a screenshot showing the database formula used to calculate the number of students. Okay, so go to design view and then take a screenshot of this. Okay, and place in your evidence document. Okay, so we are done with all of this. Okay. Using the fields from all tables, produce a tabular report. Okay, so this is also similar to the same steps we just did now. Okay, so we have the query and we also have report. So this is the query. Okay, and this is the report, and this will be for the query. Okay, so let's start by importing these field names. Okay, so you can save this and then close all. Okay, so click on create query wizard. Okay, so what are the field names? We have gender, family name, given name. Okay, gender, family name, okay, given name. Then we have house name, math, computer science. House name, math, computer science. And then we have teacher's name. Okay, teacher's name. We have teacher's name. Okay, I believe that's all. Yes, that's all. Okay, next. Okay, you can name this query 2. Okay. Okay, then we have select only the records where the class code is 5C. Okay, and the house name is Mars. Okay, the class code is 5C. Go to design view, the class code. Okay, did we import the class code? No. Okay, we did not import the class code. Okay, so we are going to have a new field name here. Okay, the class code. Okay, so the class code. Let's see if, okay, this is the class code. Okay, but we are going to uncheck this. Okay, let's filter first. Okay, the class code is only 5C. Okay, 5C, run. Okay, so we can see the class code is just 5C. Okay, so you need to uncheck this. Let's see. Okay, so we cannot find that in our table. And then the house name is Mars. Okay, the house name. Okay, the house name is Mars. Okay, run. Okay, we can see the house name is Mars. Okay, so this has been done. Okay, this has been done. Okay, so now we are going to create the report. Okay, can save this. Click on create report wizard. Okay, so move all. Next. Okay, it's not grouped. Next. Okay, do we have sortings? Okay, it says sort into ascending order of gender and ascending order of family name. Okay, gender and family name. Okay, both ascending. Next, what is our orientation? Okay, the orientation is portrait. Okay, it's portrait and fits on a single page. Of course, it should fit. We do not have so many records. Okay, portrait. Next. So let's see if we have a name. Okay, this is the title. Year 5 test report for Mars. Okay, Year 5 test report for Mars. Okay, I'm just going to type this. Year 5 test report. Year 5 test report. Okay, your test for Mars. Okay, for Mars. Okay, that's it. Okay, go to layout view. Okay. Okay, so we are done with that. Now it says we need to check first of all if this is arranged in the order that we did in the query. Okay, so gender, family name, given name. Okay, gender, family name, given name, and then we have house name, math, computer science. House name, math, computer science, teacher's name. Okay, so it's in the correct order. Okay, but we still need to arrange so that all data are fully visible. Okay. I'm going to, okay. Okay, this is done. Okay, so it fits on a single page. Yes, calculate the average math mark in this selection and position this number below the math columns. Okay, so we need to calculate the average math mark. Okay, this is it. Okay, so right click on it and then average. Okay, so this is the average. Okay, display this average mark with 0 decimal place. Of course, this is in a 0 decimal place. Okay, that's in a 0 decimal place. Okay, if it's not in 0 decimal place, you can just click on, I think, properties. Okay, and then change the decimal place to 0. Okay, so it says includes the label average math score fully visible to the left of this value. Okay, so we want to have this label. Okay, to have this label, just right click and then caption. Look for caption, set caption. Okay, so what should the caption be? It should be average math score. Okay, so average math score. Okay, you will need to go to the design view to adjust that. Okay. Okay, go to layout view. Okay, that has been done. Okay, it says has your name, center number, and candidate number displayed at the bottom of the report. Okay, at the bottom of the report. Okay, at the bottom of the report label, you can just have this here. Okay, your name, center number, and candidate number. So when you go to layout view, okay, that's it. Okay, place in the evidence document a screenshot showing the database formula used to create the average marks for math. Okay, so go back to design view and then take a screenshot of this. Okay. and place in your evidence document. Okay. So all of this is done. Save and print your report. Okay, if you want to print, you just click on print preview and then print. Okay. Export the report created at step 23. Okay, in portable document format. Save the exported file in your work area with the file name year 5 and place in your evidence document a screenshot to show that the exported file saved in your work area. Make sure there is evidence of the name and the file type. Okay, so the report we just created now, okay, which is this, okay, we need to export it as PDF. So right click and then export PDF, okay, in your folder. So we need to name it as year 5. Okay, let's check year 5. Okay, year 5. Okay, save in your work area. So this is our report. Go to your folder. Okay, so this is the report. Okay, ensure that, yeah, this is PDF. Okay, take a screenshot. Okay, and place in your evidence document. Okay, and that's it. Okay, this is done. Okay, and we are done with this task. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, and you can also go through my channels to find past year papers videos. Okay, thank you all guys. See you in my next video. Bye.